Hi, I'm Dr. Lisa Thompson of drlisathompson.com, and in today's video, we're going to give you the YouTube mobile live stream checklist. So before you go live on your YouTube mobile device or on your desktop, laptop, before you go live, it's really important to make sure you have these items in place so that you have a successful YouTube experience that's going to build an audience, engage your audience so you can get more leads, more sales, and grow your YouTube channel. Now, this is all part of an ongoing series we've created to really break down how to really grow your YouTube channel leveraging YouTube live streaming. So if you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and look for the playlist on YouTube live streaming tutorial, and you can check out these little video segments that talk about more in depth how to really use YouTube live streaming. So we've talked about why to use YouTube Live, the requirements, 3 ways to do YouTube live streaming, best practices, how to monetize, best hardware and software, how to grow your YouTube audience, how to broadcast a webinar with YouTube Live, how to plan your YouTube Live content, driving traffic, getting leads and sales, the benefits of using YouTube mobile live streaming, and how to avoid the 16 common YouTube mobile live stream mistakes. So today we're going to work on this live stream checklist. So I would suggest maybe going in, making some screenshots of these slides, and then have it nearby you so you can look at it. So you have all of this in place. You have a very successful live stream experience, not only for yourself, but for your audience. So before you do any YouTube live video, you have to have the following requirements. Make sure your YouTube channel is verified. You have no live stream restrictions in the last 90 days. Your channel's live streaming ability will be automatically disabled if your channel received community guidelines strike. Your live stream or archived live stream is blocked. Your live stream or archived live stream receives a copyright takedown. You also have to be 18 years of age or older. You have to have an Android, iPhone, or iPad. With the Android, the platform has to be 6.0 or greater, and with Apple, iOS 8.0 platform or greater. You need to download and install the latest version of the YouTube app, a tripod or a selfie stick to stabilize your phone, good audio connection. You want to make sure you're using an external mic, adequate lighting, a fully charged battery. Videos do drain your battery life, and you also want to make sure you're going to do a rehearsal before going live. You also want to make sure when you're doing your live stream to tap the YouTube app, tap the camera icon, select unlisted, add title, decide on landscape or portrait mode. You always do it on landscape, and make sure that the rotation is enabled and locked on your phone settings on landscape mode. Select airplane mode so a phone call will not interrupt, or any other apps. Test your audio and internet connection. What you also want to do during the test is to stream for 5 minutes to test movement, audio, and lighting. Review your stream archive on another device to check video and sound quality. And if everything checks out, then you're ready to go live. Now, there's also some prep you have to do before you go live as well. You want to plan out what you're going to say, have an outline with key bullet points on paper. You want to decide on a keyword or keyword phrase to target. You want to know what is your audience typing into YouTube. Give your live stream video a title. Work on a catchy title. Notify your viewers and subscribers 24 to 48 hours in advance before you go live. If you want, you can get someone else to moderate the comments, especially as your audience grows. You can ask people to subscribe and make sure you give them a reason why. It's always good in the beginning when you're first getting started to have that written out and practice that over and over again so that it's natural for you. Tell people how they can subscribe. Invite them to download any relevant content. Maybe you're going to have a little PDF where they have to fill in information during the live stream. Answering questions, anticipating what questions might come up, and then making sure that you thank viewers for attending before closing the live stream. Once you go live, okay, to go live, you're going to tap the YouTube app button on your phone, tap the camera icon, go live, add location if you want. If you don't, click X, then create your title and select privacy setting, okay. So if this is one where you're paying people, people are paying, you want to set it to private or unlisted, okay? But if you're just in the beginning getting started, you want to make sure that it's public. Tap more options to add a description. Tap schedule later if you're going to schedule it for a later live. Tap advanced settings to allow or disallow live chat. You should allow live chat. Enable the age restriction for your stream. Indicate whether your stream contains paid promotion or add a paid promotion disclosure. That's especially true if monetization is enabled on your YouTube channel. Then select the back arrow. Then you want to select next to take a picture for your thumbnail. Upload a custom thumbnail. Now that's only going to be on Apple devices, so iPhone or iPad. Try to upload a different thumbnail after your live stream ends if you're using an Android. Stream in landscape mode, that is best practice. Hold your device in landscape mode. Make sure your screen lock is off and tap share to share your stream. Then you can stop the live chat stream from disappearing to read comments by holding your phone and scrolling with your thumb. Then to end the stream, tap finish, then tap OK. An archive of the live stream is created on your channel after the stream ends. Then you can edit the privacy setting or delete the archive on the videos page. Now, after the live stream, you want to make sure you add a YouTube card for viewers to download relevant content, optimize the title, description, and tags, upload a video transcript, or for closed captioning, you can make sure to add captions. Promote on social media sites or embed on your blog. That's always a real great way to get more traffic. Give attendees a head up about your next live event. Send them an email. Send an email giving them a recap. All right? Did you find this video valuable today? If you did, leave a comment and share. And before you go, I highly recommend you check out this free masterclass by my good friend and video marketing expert, Mark Harbert. He's going to show you some real simple strategies of how to create high-quality videos, whether they're standalone or live stream, that will get more people reaching out to you to become leads, reps, and customers for your business. And just for attending, he's going to give you a $97 value gift, which is his 101 hot video ideas, where these are content creation video ideas that are high quality that will get people reaching out to you. He's going to give that to you absolutely free when you register. So to register, all you need to do is go to www.drlisamthompson.com/video system. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.